Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can buy and sell crypto on Changelly. Well, it's quite easy. First of all, simply open the application, make sure that you are logged into your account, and after doing that you can simply tap on this icon that you can see right here. After doing that, you'll get three different options: sell, buy, and exchange. So if you are from the United States, there won't be the option for sell. It's unfortunate that you guys will not be able to sell your crypto through Changelly if you are in these states. So in here you can select the option according to your need. For example, if I tap on buy, from here I can simply buy the crypto that I want. Here you can add the amount. For example, I want 20,000, and here you can select the currency. If you tap on this arrow, for example, I want the euro. So 20,000 worth euro will be this amount of Bitcoin. But if I don't want Bitcoin, you can also tap on this arrow right here, drag it down, and simply select the currency that you want. For now, I'm just going to go with a Bitcoin. And after you've done that, here you can see the option of your payment provider. So Changelly has given me this option, but if I don't want this provider, I can simply tap on the arrow and switch to another provider. And if I can tap on it, I can select what kind of payment method I want. For example, I can get the Apple Pay, and here you can see another payment method. I'm just going to select my Visa card for now, and when you're done with it, you can enter the promo code here. If you have one, simply add down the code and tap on apply, and like that the promo code will be applied. Then tap on next step. From here you have to add down the destination address of your wallet, so you can simply do that by typing it, or if you want to scan the QR code, you can tap on this icon right here. Your camera will open and you can simply just scan your QR code from here. So after you have done all of that, here tap on confirm, and after tapping on confirm, your payment will be successful, and like that you'll be able to buy crypto on Changelly. But if you want to sell it, here I'm going to go back. Here we are on the home page, and from here again tap on this icon, tap on sell. Here we will get to another link, which is the MoonPay link. And from here, you will now select what kind of crypto you want to sell. If I tap on this arrow right here, for example, I want to sell the Ethereum. So I'm going to select it and then type down the amount of crypto I want to sell. Here you can see I have typed that down, and again tap on a review order. After doing that, here you will have to sign in with your MoonPay account, so you can continue with your Apple ID or your Google ID, or if you have continued with your email address, you can type that down, tap on continue, and like that you can log into your MoonPay wallet account and sell your crypto like this on Changelly. And yeah, that is it. These were ways that you can buy and sell crypto on Changelly. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.